Hi everyone, in this video I wanna show you how to extract the numbers from the sentences. Of course there is a method to do it manually, just typing the numbers, but it is not automatic way. For this reason we can use our formula. So let's write our formula. Equal text join, quotes, again quotes, comma, true, comma, if error, value, again open the bars, mid, we select our column, in this case D6, comma, again sequence, len, we select again our column, close the bar, comma, 1, close the bar, comma, quotes, close the bar. As a result, in the automatic way, we extracted the numbers from the sentence. If you enjoyed the video, put your like and subscribe.